This is our 5-month report for the single-family residential market here along the beautiful Alabama Gulf Coast, the area we like to call Pleasure Island, consisting of Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, Fort Morgan, and Perdido Key in Florida. We've gathered all this data from the Ball & Realtors database, so let's take a look at the market. This chart represents inventory, the number of homes that show as active in our MLS system, and on June the 1st, it stood at 537. These are some of the highest numbers we've seen in several years. Lots of choices for buyers. This chart shows median days on the market, which stood at 52, the number of days it takes a properly priced property to get placed under contract from the day it's listed, so still under 2 months. This chart, we've seen a rise over the last 4 months in the number of homes to sell on a monthly basis, and that rose to 104 in the month of May. This chart shows total sales from the first 5 months of 2024 to the first 5 months of last year. That number was down 8% as far as total volume. The average sales price down slightly 5%, but we like to focus on median, meaning half were above and half were below. That number actually grew about 1% to 562 and change. Next, we look at average dollars per square foot. That's the heated and cooled square foot. That number rose to $361 or a 3% increase. Now we're going to look at demand. How many homes we expect to see sell in the next 30 to 60 days. That unit's down a whopping 33% from the same time last year. So as you can see, we're selling less units, but prices are holding really steady. If you're thinking about buying or selling anywhere along the Alabama Gulf Coast, contact the RE/MAX of Gulf Shores agents supplied you with this video. They're here to help you make great choices. Until then, we'll see you next month on Coastal Update.